Hey guys, welcome back. It's Henry with some straight facts about a stock that a lot of you guys have asked me about, so I did a deep dive into this one. Today, we're talking about all things DiamondPeak Holdings or DPHC stock. Have you guys seen the stock's meteoric rise in the past month? It doubled from 13 per share to over $27 per share in the past 30 days. What's going on with DiamondPeak Holdings? Will this SPAC attempting to IPO electric pickup maker Lordstown Motors through a reverse merger explode and make billions of dollars? I'm going to cover the current situation and specifically what makes Lordstown electric pickup trucks so special in the current market. Special like me. It's almost as special as smashing the smash button for Uncle Henry. Let's get started. Давай мы будем начинать. DPHC or DiamondPeak Holdings Corp is a blank check company formed for the purpose of offering a merger, capital stock exchange, an asset acquisition, stock purchase, or recognition of some similar type of business combination. So basically all they do is merge with and acquire other companies. In the investment world, we call this a SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company. According to their site, DPHC is led by CEO and chairman David Hamamoto, who is complemented by the Silver Peak platform. And Mr. Hamamoto and the principals of Silver Peak have had a relationship for more than 25 years and average more than 30 years of real estate and alternative investing experience across the public and private markets. Guys, that's average, not total. So these guys could probably retire 10 times over, but are the biggest ballers of Wall Street, and you bet that they know what they are doing. On August 3rd, DiamondPeak and Lordstown Motors Corp, a leader in electric light-duty trucks, which I talked earlier on my channel about, announced a merger, and Lordstown will go public in Q4 of this year. Right now, as I record this, DPHC is at $27.90. They have a PE ratio of over 5 hundos. So it's not cheap, which makes it interesting to analyze further to see what all the hype is really about. And of course, it's all due to the really good potential market opportunity they have. So of course, let's talk about that. So the most important stuff is Lordstown Motors Corp merger. Steve Burns, former CEO of Workhorse Group, founded Lordstown Motors Corp, which designs and manufactures electric vehicles, specifically trucks. Yep, here's an image of Lordstown truck. It has a very sleek design. Workhorse, as you guys know, of course, are currently focused on manufacturing electrically powered delivery and utility vehicles and are waiting on a UPS contract. Lordstown Motors plans to build electric pickup trucks and bring them out publicly to the market. Here's some more details you may have been wondering about when it comes to Lordstown Motors and the Workhorse relationship. Workhorse has licensed the pickup truck technology to Lordstown Motors and has turned pre-orders for the truck over to Lordstown. In exchange, it owns a 10% stake in Lordstown and gets a 1% commission on the first 200,000 trucks sold. Workhorse is in the running for a $5 billion contract to build electric vehicles for the USPS, which Lordstown Motors anticipates building. And the Lordstown production plant is massive, and I mean really massive. Henry, how massive is it? 6.2 million feet of space for vehicle production, 600,000 vehicle production capacity per year, and 16 million vehicles produced in this plant alone. Looking at the investor sheet, Lordstown is already showing impressive numbers. Lordstown will have $675 million of cash to fund operations and growth. Their key strategic relationships include General Motors, Goodyear, Samsung, and of course, Workhorse. Their selected pre-order customers already include GridX, Turner Mining Group, ServPro, Duke Energy, Clean Fossil Ohio, and Summit Petroleum Inc. They were given a $75 million strategic investment from GM, and they're a candidate for government grants. Lordstown already has a high demand and a clear path to be the first to the market with pre-orders, a conservative business model, modest engineering and retooling needed to begin production, and direct sales with no dealer networks required. They already have roughly $1.4 billion of existing pre-orders. Their trucks are especially attractive to fleets. Fleet vehicles are groups or motor vehicles owned or leased by a business, government agency, or other organization rather than by the individual or family. So whereas the Tesla truck will be ideal for an individual, maybe some companies as well, this will be a service for mainly business clients. These Lordstown vehicles are attractive fleets because 1, they avoid complex retail sales, 2, they can make a large order volumes that produce lots of sales, and 3, highly underserved markets with no EV-focused competitors targeting the space. Their launch timing is in 2021 and with an estimated price of $45,000 for the Endurance model truck. That is significantly less expensive than Rivian, Tesla, or the Nikola truck. Lordstown has about $135 million worth of capital expenditures, roughly $90 million worth of R&D, and $130 million operating in general and administrative expenses, and $320 million of cash for contingencies and additional growth opportunities. So they're doing quite well in so many regards. Now, it hasn't gone public yet, but DPHC or DiamondPeak is on its very exact job right now, and we should be seeing that in Q4. That's also exactly why we see the price more than doubling in just the past 30 days, and there's a whole lot of excitement going on right now. But guys, this stock is not traded on fundamentals, and it's way too hard for me to analyze the exact price movement for what's gonna happen next because, well, Lordstown Motors is a private company, so analyzing this stock is a very hard thing to do. I can't give you an honest price target here, but if they are successful with Lordstown Motors, then we should see some more upwards action and investor positivity. So the best bet we can do is place a probability or chance of everything actually happening, and we discussed the efforts and reasons Lordstown is a fantastic EV maker, so let's take a look at some of the challenges and see what's going on that front. When it comes to potential challenges, DPHC will have other competitors in the electric truck world, including Tesla and Nikola. Steve Burns has said that he is pursuing the same Department of Energy's Advanced Technology Vehicles Manufacturing loan that helped put Tesla on the map a decade ago, despite the fact that no one has received money from the program since 2011. So there's that as well. Thankfully, Steve Burns says the loan isn't something they actually have to have. It's more of a way to put them on the map as a leader in the industry. Because Lordstown is specifically geared towards fleets and they have the well-laid plans and financials, I am pretty optimistic DPHC stock could be successful, especially since the CEO is very well knowledgeable, is very well educated. What I'm saying here is that he's a businessman with a tons of experience in the EV market. And with any new innovation, there's the threat of the new technology not working as planned. But since CEO Steve Burns already has a long history in this world. But since CEO Steve Burns already has a long history in this world, and because of how much is being put into the plant in Ohio, I am confident that Lordstown will be a leader and innovator in this space. Of course, they may come into some issues, but the Ohio plants and their manufacturing team are positioning Lordstown Motors for, let's just say, a lot of success. So here's my final thoughts. EV momentum is not slowing down one bit, and September should continue strong for all EV stocks. You guys know that your boy loves Tesla and NIO stock. I haven't made much on Workhorse, but I think Workhorse and Lordstown Motors could do very well in our world of electric vehicles and the whole electric vehicle economies that we're going to have way in the future. And by way in the future, I mean the next couple of years. I prefer staying concentrated on Tesla and other stocks that I own in the ArcH portfolio over on Patreon. So I will not personally add DPHC, but I wanted to give you guys an honest review of the strengths and weaknesses of the stock and update you guys since this stock is going really crazy right now. And also, you know, they are gonna have that whole merger and that acquisition happening in Q4, which is just, you know, a few weeks away. I prefer to be an expert on a few stocks and really bet big on 10 to 15, and DiamondPeak is not currently one of those. However, if I decide to add them, I will of course let you guys know. Either way, EV stocks are amazing. You have to be careful and pick the right ones, and you guys know based on my video history which ones that I like, and I'm glad that I've been able to put some money on some of the best picks such as Tesla and NIO back when NIO was 11 and back when Tesla was $500 per share. I do put a lot of research and time into these videos. Aside from getting on camera and filming, there's so much that goes into it, but I love helping people become better investors. And if you haven't joined the dopest, and I mean the dopest family on YouTube, hit the subscribe button and leave Uncle Henry some feedback. Yes, I do like sharing my story from time to time, but this channel is to help others achieve a better financial life and learn from someone who spent 5 years and $300,000 getting a piece of paper that says finance degree and had tons of jobs in the field through the co-op program that my college offered. I'm truly thankful, and despite the huge cost and college not really being worth it in my opinion for most people, for me, it's truly paying off, and I hope that I can give you guys so many more videos to come and teach you guys exactly what I know, what my experience is, and how you guys can make more money investing in the stock market. And hopefully once I finish the course, in probably 2 months, I will have an amazing product for options trading, teaching you guys from literally zero knowledge. I've literally experimented on a lot of people right now that I coach that have zero knowledge, and I'm bringing them up to the point where they can start making money in weekly income. So if you do want to sign up for that, there's a free link in my description for the future options trading course, where I will keep everyone updated on the progress. It is a work in progress, and it's going to take a lot of time, because unfortunately I'm a little bit of a perfectionist and I like things done really well. So quality over quantity. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what other videos that you want me to make. I'm gonna make a lot more Tesla videos because they have battery day coming up. Other than that, thank you for making it this far in the video. You only have to do one thing for me. Be intelligent. No. Be aggressive in learning, but be safe in investing. Let me be serious. Be aggressive in learning, but be safe in investing. I'll see you soon, champion.
Never sees me.